seat. So we've heard a number of formulas about how to achieve success in life. Well, for this morning, the great Sakina Doe and I will be sharing with you Success Magazine's 12 steps to achieve success. Isn't that wonderful?
I think you shouldn't say the first one. I think I should say the first one.
Why?
Because you're not planning to marry nobody.
You don't know that. What is the first one?
The first one is marry the right person. They say this decision will determine 90% of your happiness or misery.
So how I know is the right person before I get married? How I know that?
Well, then we have to go check another magazine. There are so many ways according to other
Yeah,
people.
but what if I think is the right person?
And
then I get married to you and then you turn out to...
There's
you just
always
want
the D word.
to rob all my pillowcase and all.
There's always the D word.
What is that?
Divorce.
Yeah, but I don't want a divorce. If I'm married, I don't want a divorce. I just want to know.
Well, then
so how I know
take
it's the
your
right
time
person?
and make sure
I
it's
go
the right
counseling,
person, I guess.
or I just go to
You
that
notice
for a while.
I'm not married either, so I can't give you any tips
But
on
you
knowing
can.
if it's the right person,
Of
yes
course.
or no. You have to ask somebody who married for like 50 years.
Like
who
Everard.
can yeah.
Everard, how
who
you know
can
is the
tell you.
right person you married to? You didn't know before you married that it was the right person? Oh, you know?
Yo, how did you know that it was the right person to marry?
Eh? Sure?
She tell him.
She just tell him say she's the right person? Oh, you know? Oh. Everard, how long are you married? 29 years? No, ma, you're an authority.
Yeah. What?
He's an authority.
Oh, I thought you said he's not, because, I mean...
I said he's an
29
authority.
years. Okay, so him say how she treats you,
How him
how
feel.
she look,
No, how him feel. I agree with that.
how he feels, and
Yeah,
how
all
she
right.
treats. So how your spouse make you feel?
Yep. The second one is work at something you enjoy and that's worthy of your time and talent.
Oh, yeah. Most definitely.
Yeah, they say when you do stuff like that, it's not really work.
Yeah,
it's not
if you
a job.
enjoy your job, it's
Yeah.
not really a job.
But to be honest, sometimes the things that you enjoy,
Stress you out.
no, it doesn't reward you in a way that you can live a successful
Well,
life.
the onus is on you to find a way, find a niche for it.
In other words, suppose you enjoy volunteering, and I'm being very serious. You enjoy doing stuff like that, Rotary Club and stuff. But I can't go into the supermarket and say, you know that I volunteer and I don't have any money, but I want some rice and
Right,
I got
okay.
say pudding. You
I
can
get
buy
you.
pudding at the supermarket?
No, freedom can't sell pudding.
Okay.
Volunteering can't sell pudding.
But that's my point.
I get you. I understand.
So you want to do something that you enjoy, but you also want to earn from it so that you can look after your family and stuff.
I guess you'd have to do that alongside
It's like me and
whatever is
coaching.
earning
Hey,
for.
enjoy this. Give me some money, no? Do. What's the third one?
Give people more than they expect and do it cheerfully.
What that mean, please?
So like if you come at work and you're laundry and you have to manage the floor and you see something off, you just do it because it's there to be done, and when you do it you don't complain about it. You just do it because you see it and it's there to be done.
That's
And
not
that will
necessarily
make you
easy to
happy.
do, you know, because if you're a perfectionist like me, disorganization throws me off badly. So if I walk, you know what else throws me off badly? I hate to say this, traffic. I get very annoyed
You
in
get
traffic.
flustered?
Yeah, for some reason.
That's why you always leave and go everywhere 2 hours early.
Very early, because I don't want to be late. But traffic, and then here what I do understand about traffic, I kind of deviating a bit. It's a very straight road.
Well, hold it up.
And then nobody not moving. So I said, well, there must be an accident down there. And then when you come, there's no accident, people just not move. Why?
Them either creep and crawl, or some people fast, or some people distracted.
And I'm going to say it again, as you said, distracted. Please do not drive and
Text.
talk. I'm serious. There's this man on the green light, and the man have the phone, so the man hand through the window and the man cuss everybody. So I don't want to blow him, but it got to green and I watch him quietly, about 5 seconds, 10 seconds. When it reached about 30 seconds, I touch me hand. Well, him flash me off first.
Okay.
And still don't move.
Okay.
And then when him realize say it's a light, him tell me sorry, drive through and leave me on the red.
Always happens.
So what you do with
Always
that man, you
happens.
know?
You don't take out your gun that you're not supposed
I
to
don't
have.
have a gun. I don't have a gun.
Do anything with
I
it. That's
tell
what
you,
you
if you're
don't
not a police or a
do.
soldier, you mustn't have no gun. Become
next
the
up.
most positive and enthusiastic person you know. That's me. That is me. I'm very positive. I'm very enthusiastic. That's me. You are not?
To an extent, I suppose. I mean, I can't always be, hey, how are you? But
No,
most
that
of the
is me.
time, I'm
That is
like
me.
that.
I'm
no,
always,
you're not.
No,
No,
I'm
you're
always
not.
positive.
Yes, but
Yeah.
you're not always.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Right.
Take it from the people who are actually observing you.
Since you're married to me, you
No,
should
sir.
know.
Could I never?
Be generous.
I think that's good for everybody.
Eh?
That you are.
Oh, I am? Oh, thank you.
Have a grateful heart.
Well, I give thanks for
Those
everything.
things come hand in hand, generosity and gratefulness. People who are kind usually are very grateful.
You know, that's the first thing I say every single time. As I wake up, I just say thank you, God. As I wake up, I say thank you, God.
Can you never have to wake up?
When I start worrying, you know. When I wake up.
But that's why you say thanks.
Yeah,
because
but that's what
you've
I
lived to
think
see
I
another
do
day,
say.
isn't it?
And then I read my... But you know what? I read my daily word. But I find that after a little while, I forget what I did read. Like this man.
That's because you're just scanning it, you're not really ingesting it.
No, I read it, man. When I read this, man.
See? If you did ingest it into your psyche
I
and
did
into your
ingest
spirit,
it, but I'm
you
suggesting...
wouldn't figure it.
I'm suggesting also, it's not all of it. Not all of the work. Not all of the days, it's easy to just understand exactly what they were saying.
Oh, you want some help going through it?
Put a mad me this man, can me just remember this man? Let me read this man.
All right.
Oh, I remember what I read.
What
this
was
man.
it?
What you read this man is sometimes you have to just turn off everything and just sit and just deal with God. Basically, that's what it said.
That's what you did.
So you turn off the TV, you don't always distracted. Sometimes you need to just, thank you, God.
Yeah.
I'm always going to remember.
Try that with your
Drink
family
spirulina
too.
every day, and that's why I'm memorable.
But you couldn't remember.
I did remember, though. It just took me a
Eventually,
little
I
while because I'm
suppose.
distracted talking about this and talking to you. And
Okay.
discipline yourself to save money on the most modest salary.
That's something I think we all need to try and
Yeah, I don't have...
I
I
don't
save,
have
but I don't
saving
have that
habits.
kind of discipline that I put exact amount. And
Yeah, I'm not very good. Commit yourself to constant improvement. You know, I have a friend of mine, her mom, would tell her that she's a perpetual student because she's always going to school. I mean, she have a degree, she's a nurse, and every time I ask her what she's doing, oh, I'm doing a French course, oh, I'm doing this course, oh, it could have been baking, it could... She's always doing something.
And
She
you're
said it keeps
suggesting
her
that
mind active.
You're suggesting that she shouldn't be doing
I'm
that?
suggesting that we all can take a page out of Katie Mommy book and
Yeah, but I
try
don't want to
and...
go to school for the rest of my life.
No, I'm saying try and better yourself in some way. It doesn't have to be school. It can be something that you like, that you wanted to learn,
Want
like
the
piano.
Spanish?
Or, there you
I
go.
want to play the keyboard.
There you go.
So I went to a keyboard lesson. 40 times I tell this story. Go to the lesson. Them give me some homework. And I said, but this don't make any sense because I can't practice. So I go buy a keyboard.
Right? Awesome.
And I've never been back to a lesson. And about 6 years still in my house. So every time somebody comes, them say, me never know you can play the keyboard. I just smile. I don't say yes or no. I just smile.
That's lying by omission.
No, I did not lie. The person just say, I didn't know you can play the keyboard. I just go,
That is a lie. That's lying by omission.
I don't
You
tell
let
a
the
lie.
person to believe that you
No.
do play.
All right, but how you can come in my house and see keyboard and just automatically think I can play?
We are doing it. We are doing it.
Suppose
You
I
cannot
live
play
with
it.
somebody who play it.
There you go. Okay. Commit yourself to quality. I think that's
Yes, ma'am.
that's always a given.
Yes, ma'am.
What's next?
More of us need to do that. Understand that happiness is not based on possessions, power, or prestige, but on relationships with people you love and respect for others. As much as I buy that, some people think happiness comes from
Stuff.
owning stuff.
All right, let's be realistic now.
And that's how they judge you too, you know.
Yeah,
I remember my ex-girl broke her arm when she drove a standard shift car. I have an automatic car, so I gave her my car and I drove hers, which wasn't the newest car in life. And I'm coming in here, and I'm mad at them lady at the gate, and when I drive past, the man just goes so. So I let him drive. Me never tell her about her car. So they kind of judge you in Jamaica by where you live and what you drive. And really, they must judge you by the kind of person you are.
But let's be realistic. You are not more comfortable if you have more physical amenities.
Yeah, but some of us don't
Yeah,
need a whole lot
I'm
of stuff
saying,
to be
you,
happy.
I'm not that you should base your life off that. But in terms of comfort, just
No,
to
I
have
accept
certain
that. I
amenities.
just don't think I should be judged by what I drive or
okay,
where I
all
live.
right.
or
That's true.
Who I am married to.
That's
or
true.
I don't think I should be judged by that. You don't know me, so I could drive the fanciest car in the world and I'm the biggest crook in the world.
That's true.
And I could drive the worst car in the world and I'm the nicest
You know, me
person
know
in
a gentleman and him have so much money and him buy him wife a range and him buy him picnic this. And you know what him drive? A Toyota Corolla.
Nothing wrong with
And him
Corolla.
just chill.
Do you know that Corolla is the biggest selling car in the world?
But what I'm saying is that it's
No, I
not the
accept
most,
what you said,
it's not the
yeah.
newest one either,
Yeah.
but he's comfortable with that.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, final two. Stop blaming others, take responsibility for your life. That's good. And the final one would be
bold and courageous. When you look back on your life, you'll regret the things you didn't do more than the ones you did.
I've always said that.
Make a mistake today, guys.
Don't regret anything you didn't do.
That's on purpose.
So I bet you just do it and then say, well, probably shouldn't do it, but at least I did do it. If you don't do it, then the rest of your life you're going to say,
do that.
I wonder if I should have did it. So
That's true.
Me don't play that. Me just do what me feel like do, and then if me have to say I shouldn't have done it, then.
Rethink
what
that.
I feel like though? Going for a break. Is that what we're supposed to do? What's that
Awesome.
What's that nice flow, man?
You got it.
Now I'm going to
Don't
slip
leave
on
me
the
hanging.
Break.
Oh,
Right.
that's a Benji.
Yeah? No, this one.
We're going for a break.
I just love boss people. I don't know, say me I starring.